Cover song na naman tayo, no? Para sa ating mga kaibigan dyan. No, may mga kaibigan kasi tayo. Bigla lang wala. At hindi natin alam kung anong mga dahilan, di ba? Alright? Pangkaibigan na kanta to sa lahat ng mga friends, no? Oo. Alright. This is my first song. I spent all my life looking for a reason things past. I've built my life trying to make them stay the same. Love what feel like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The wail of the wind, you feel anything. It will pass you blowing steady. It comes and it goes. God only knows. You must keep yourself ready. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the wail of the wind. I've spent so many hours thinking about the way things might have been, and so many hours trying to bring the good times back again. So it goes for lonely-hearted folks. They let their keys slip away until they give in to the will of the wind. You feel it indeed. It will pass you blowing steady. Coming it goes, and God only knows. You must keep yourself on ready. When it begins, get all that you can. You must be free the will of the wind. Begins, get all that you can. You must be free the way of the wind. Yan ang ating mga friends na hindi natin alam kung kailan makawala. No? Pati din naman tayo, di ba? Alright, wait for this song. Obisika. Tama ba? Ako ba'y tama? O tama ako? Alright, this is my another song, guys. No? Thank you for listening. Always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend, I'd want it to be. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it was unfair, sometimes it gave a hope, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dreams come true. If I had only one friend, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes you understand me, knows me inside out, helps keep me together, and believe without a doubt. If I could form a mindset, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend, I want it to be you. When we were together, it made the dreams come true. If I had only one friend, I want it to be you. Sometimes someone understands you and knows you inside out, helps keep me together, and believe without a doubt. Can't you call me my mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend, I want it to be you. Yan daw ang ating mga friend, mga nag-left, no? Oh, ganyan talaga ang buhay. Hindi natin hawak ang kasaysayan. Okay. Oh, sa lahat po. No, pasensyahan po kayo. No? Oh, may nasasaktan sa mga kanta dahil naka-line up na to. Wala na tayong nagagawa, ha? Nasa songlist ko na to. Tistisin nyo na lang at Noy, pakinggan nyo ng maigi ang mga meaning ng kanta. Dahil napakaganda ng meaning ng mga kanta. Alright? Once again, good morning and naway nag-enjoy kayo. Ingat-ingat po kayo lagi sa inyong mga ginagawa o sa gagawin pa lang. This is Jake City TV at your service, guys. Bye. See you around.